Sorry for the interruption. So I'm just adding, whether it's on film or not, I'm just adding these branches right now. I'm getting ready to do this side. I was thinking that maybe I would do a white on this side, just to put, or a gray maybe. A gray I think would be pretty awesome on this side. Pushing my glasses up. Alright. So, yeah, I think I still like, I'm going to keep it black.
You know, green looks really good on you.
Yeah, I think so?
Yeah.
Must be the Irish.
You're
no,
not
Irish. I'm not Irish. No, sorry.
You're French.
French and German, and I'm a mud pie, like most Americans.
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm pure.
Pure what?
Purely wonderful.
Says the Montrosian. I'm just saying.
That is just mean.
That's not mean.
You're mean.
There's such things.
As Montrosians?
Yeah.
Oh.
Montrosians.
I see. Well, this Montrosian is a nice person.
Well, I'm a Talkeetnaite. Say
Yeah.
that fast.
I know, and I work with somebody from Wasilla, and she
Yeah.
says that too.
Yeah.
Yeah, she says you're Talkeetnite.
I am.
You're Talkeetnite.
I am. My team used to whoop
She's like,
her
it's
butt.
such a tiny, tiny little town.
It is, and it's so much fun. I've gotten plenty of trouble there. Have lots of good memories. I have lots of good memories just coming down to Colorado.
From Talkeetna, Alaska.
Yeah. Stopping in Edmonton Mall, which is the Mall of the World Mall.
Mall of America.
It's a world mall.
It's
It's not in America.
Oh, are you talking one in Canada?
Yeah,
Edmonton.
The Edmonton Mall, and it was huge. It was cool. I had 3 different theme parks in it, and yeah, it was a ton of fun. Alright, same thing that I did on one side, I'm pretty much doing to the other. I might add a different type of detail in this one. I'm not sure yet. I mean, I see it in my head. Like in this background back here, I see flat tops, like Colorado flat tops all the way through it. And I could bring those forward by coming down here and darkening and adding to it. But this texture is so rich from just the board itself. It has that desert vastness feel to it.
Here, I'm going to make
Love
the
it.
sound effects.
Right? You can see the wind blowing. Or in Junction case, you can see the, what do they call that, where the pollution hangs in the city.
Junction doesn't have that much pollution.
Oh, it does.
It does not.
You can see it. You can see it. You can see the dust bowl.
It's a dust bowl, yeah, but it's not pollution. It's not like Denver when you go in.
Is it immersion?
Immersion. Erosion.
Where the it acts like a magnifying glass.
Mirages.
No. That's when you're dehydrated. That's your brain. The way the mirages work, things off in the distance, it's so hot that it looks like the ground's vibrating.
Yeah.
Way off in the distance.
Wait.
And that's you just hallucinating. Not fun. Not
I don't know,
fun.
it depends on who you are. I've heard hypoxia is fun.
No. All right. So, my buddy Sam, shout out, came to Grand Junction. Grand Junction has always been known for like the biking community, especially mountain biking.
Yes. Not motorcycle biking.
Not motorcycle. Although,
There are things. But anyhow.
Anyhow, my buddy Sam is a good guy. Really good guy.
Oh, he's the one that took
He's
you on the
hilarious.
track and you destroyed your bike.
All right. Well, that's a story I'm telling.
You told it already on one
Yeah?
of your videos.
Oh.
Yeah. But, long story short, he destroyed his bike on a jump because Sam had a very expensive bike and Ben said...
And I had a Walmart special. Yeah, there is always a difference between, like, let's say, Huffy compared to Cannondale.
And we have a visitor.
Alright, I'm going to throw a couple more of these up. Maybe I should switch hands so it works better.
You have a visitor.
I have a visitor. Ooh, sister.
Say goodbye, YouTube, for now.
Bye, YouTube. I'll get to it. Bye.